You know, there's all types of wonderful sonar out there. You got forward-facing sonar, live sonar. You can read the fish's thoughts. But let me tell you, all that aside, you want a great fish finder? Birds. When you see birds, there is a really good chance, very good chance, that the fish are close by.
So there have been birds along this bank all morning. And as I mentioned, all the other sonar aside, you find the birds, you find the fish. So let's just see how good of fish finders the good Lord fish finders are.
And there it is. Well, well, well. He is fighting a little bit at me. Exactly where I saw that bird earlier.
Giant.